Hey guys, I'm at the local high school here on Palilio Island in Sabang area, and the local high school is getting together. The parents get together, and each parent, depending on what grade they are in, table. So if the kids are grade 11, you'll sit at the grade 11 table, grade 9 table, grade 8 table, 9, 10, 11, and 12, right? So the parents get together, get to know each other. So they sit at their grade 9 table if their child's in grade 9. And what happens is they're fundraising because they get little to no government support here for the schooling system. So the schooling system is basically, and the money is funded through the community itself. Mind you, a lot of people, most people here pay little to no tax whatsoever. Now I wanted to show this classroom to you guys because it's really interesting. So you got an opening prayer here, which is very important. Gracious God, thank you for the blessing of education. I'm grateful for your teachers and classmates. And they have a closing prayer here. Dear Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for being with us throughout today, with your presence has been in this place. So this is what I wanted to show you because so I really wanted to show this to you guys. And there it is, the fundraiser. And the community gets together and everybody knows everyone. So they sit at the grade 10 table. Oh, your kid's in grade 10? Oh, what's this? Oh, I think I know my son. Community gets together, they know each other, they talk to each other, and they're with each other. And this is so important because there's, I think, 1 or 2 high schools on this island. And it's really nice to see how the community comes together. They keep the Lord's Prayer close to heart, and they say it every day, and they have the closing prayer before they leave. And they're just fundraising, going around collecting a few pesos. I think they were wanting to buy more school hardware supplies that they're aiming for, more power bars and more, what was it, better lighting in some of the classrooms. So they're improving the infrastructure with the community. They're not being taxed to death here, but people come together and contribute because their kids are in school. They come here and contribute to the school to help support their children in the school. We're being taxed to death in the West for everything, even if we don't use it. And that's a big problem in the West. Mark my words. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Mike Martin's here. Hold on. Maybe I'll go out and show you guys some of the... Hold on. It's really good to see that the community... It's good to see that the community that uses the school pays for the school as it goes. A pay-as-you-go program for the schooling system in this area. I don't know how it is throughout the country, but that's how they do it here. And that's really smart, intelligent. Come together. And people donate their time to do repairs at the school. I spoke to a couple of parents. They take the time out of the week, once a month or twice a month. They come and they do upgrades on the schooling voluntarily because their kids come here. And that's how wholesome, strong community is built.